This is how you restring your Ryobi weed eater. So what you're gonna do is twist these apart, and that just pops off just like that. And that's what this looks like. If you're having troubles getting this off, you're gonna have to stick a screwdriver one way and twist the other way so they can come apart. You line up the arrows. Like I said, mine has a lot of trouble, but you twist it back on like that. Now, to restring this, what you're gonna do is get your string. You can have quite a bit, you don't need to go short. And you're just going to pull it through this centerpiece. So get a piece that's, you know, about 8 foot long, string it through here, and you're gonna have both ends halfway through. So this will be your center point, and pull these so they're the same length on both sides. You're gonna put this cap back together, so green first, and then your black piece, and you're gonna pull this string through. Now, if this is not sitting flush, you're not gonna get it back on. It has to be sitting flush like this. You can hear it when it snaps back into place. Next, you're gonna grab your spring, which is inside this one, and put it back in. So here's my spring, and all I'm gonna do is put the cap back on, and you line up the arrows with each other. What I mean by these arrows is you line the arrows up, and there's a lock and unlock on here. So you're gonna twist to the lock portion. Now, my Ryobi likes to stick a lot, so it's actually pretty hard to get in. You can WD-40 it every once in a while. There you go, locked into place. So now I have all this string hanging out. What do? Well, this is where I love Ryobi. All you're gonna do to load that string up is twist it. Just twist that string all the way up, and that's gonna wind your weed eater for you. Don't wanna go too far. If you end up with uneven sides, that's perfectly fine. Cut the longer side so it will fit. Now you have 2 strings about the same length, and your spool is loaded. Now, as you cut your grass, don't let this string get too short. What you're gonna do is, if you start not hearing your string, it's gonna get short. What you do is you press this button. You can slam the weed eater head on the ground. You slam this button, and as you use it, it's going to pull that string out as the head twists, and that's how you get it out. Now, if it gets too far out, all you have to do is twist that back on.